Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a remittance slip in QuickBooks. This is a useful feature to know if you regularly pay vendors and want to keep your payment communication clear and professional. If you need to let a vendor know that a bill payment has been made, sending a remittance slip is a simple and professional way to do it. It helps confirm what was paid and gives the vendor a clear record they can reference on their side. This can be particularly helpful when a payment covers a specific bill, or when the vendor needs to match your payments with the correct transaction in their own records. In QuickBooks, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, open QuickBooks and go to the menu on the left-hand side. From there, select Expenses, and then choose Vendors. This will take you to your vendor list, where you can view the companies or contacts you've already set up in your account. If you work with a large number of vendors, keeping these records organized can make it much easier to locate the right transactions when you need them. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the correct vendor, especially if you work with several similar names. Once you've found the right vendor, click on their name. That opens the vendor profile, where you'll be able to see their transaction history. Reviewing the vendor profile first is useful because it gives you a focused view of the activity associated with that particular vendor. In this list, look for the specific bill payment transaction connected to the payment you want to send the remittance for. If there are multiple transactions listed, it may help to check the date or payment amount so you choose the correct one. You can also compare these details with your payment records before continuing, especially if you've recently made several payments to the same vendor. After you locate the bill payment, you have two options. You can click directly on the transaction to open it and review the payment details. Or, if QuickBooks shows the option, you can click Send Remittance from the action column. Either path leads you to the same goal, so use whichever is faster and more convenient for your workflow. Opening the transaction first can be useful when you want to double-check the details before sending anything. Before sending anything, verify the vendor's email address carefully. This is an important step because the remittance advice should go to the correct recipient, ideally, the person or department that handles accounts receivable. If needed, you can also customize the message that will be included with the remittance. For example, you could briefly mention the payment date or provide a short reference that makes it easier for the vendor to identify the payment. Keep the message clear and professional, especially if you're using it to reference a recent payment or provide a short note for the vendor. Once everything looks correct, click Send. QuickBooks will then email the remittance slip to the vendor, giving them confirmation of the payment details. This gives both you and the vendor a clearer communication trail and can reduce unnecessary questions about which bills or transactions a payment relates to. That's all it takes to create and send a remittance slip in QuickBooks. It's a quick process, but taking a few extra seconds to confirm the payment and email information can help avoid confusion and keep your vendor communication accurate and organized. Making this part of your regular payment workflow can also make vendor relationships easier to manage, especially when you're handling a larger number of bills and payments.